Hi, this is Sameh from Apify. So, OpenClaw is the big rage these days. Everywhere you see on X or Insta or TikTok, people are creating cool personal assistants with it. It's a very powerful platform, and today I want to show you how you can combine OpenClaw with Apify skills to create some cool influencer discovery agents or even social media monitoring agents. Now, the key difference here between OpenClaw and traditional agent frameworks is that it actually works 24/7. It initiates conversations with you, and you can connect it right away with your channels like Telegram, WhatsApp, or Slack, whatever you need. So today, I want to show you how you can install an OpenClaw instance using our partners, Hostinger. They have a cool VPS service, a one-click install that you can use. So this is, especially if you're beginning out, highly recommended because obviously there are still some security risks with using OpenClaw into your own machines. We hear about people buying Mac Minis. So for a lot of beginners, I recommend this setup. So Hostinger's got some great deals on their VPS services. And today we're going to show you how you can create an instance with them, an OpenClaw instance, install some cool Apify skills, and then create an agent that can actually message you for your social media news, discovery, or if you're just looking for, the latest posts from your key influencers. And obviously, there's hundreds of use cases for this. So let's begin. All right. So what are we going to do today? Well, we're going to deploy an OpenClaw agent on Hostinger and give it some Apify skills. Our first step is to actually deploy the OpenClaw. So Hostinger has this cool one-click install that you can use. You can, of course, choose a 4 gig RAM VPS server, or even a 2 gig RAM server should be all right. Then we're going to install some scales, right? So then we're going to run some cool use cases. We're going to use Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook to look for influencers. And then we're going to export the results. All right, let's get going. So first step you want is to go to OpenClaw. They have this cool one-click install, so you can just go ahead and deploy. And it's $4.99 for the, actually, I think it's the 2 megabyte. So I'm just going to try this for 1 month. Obviously, if you take for 24 months, it's much cheaper. All right, so I paid for it. So let's get started. All right. So you need some tokens, right? So I'm going to use it with Anthropic. So I'm just going to have to go and grab my Anthropic key. So I got my Anthropic key here. And obviously you can use OpenAI, Gemini, or whatever. It lets you actually put your WhatsApp number directly. So it makes it much easier. If just like that, it's deployed. Just give it 1 second. All right. So you can actually exit from there. And if you go to your home, now you can see your new instance with your OpenClaw already. And so it's running on the Docker here. And now you actually need the token that you used during the if you copy pasted it from the original startup screen. If you forget, that's not a problem. You can actually just go to here to the Docker manager and to your projects. And once you see your OpenClaw project, the token is actually right there. So you can just go ahead and copy that, go back. And this is what I really love about Hostinger. It's seamless in many ways. All right. So that's it. It's finished. Now I have my OpenClaw. Hello, how are you? Oh, that's embarrassing. Looks like I used the wrong Anthropic key. That's not an issue. So if you want to change any environment variables, you can actually go back to where you have the OpenClaw, right? Just go to Docker Manager here under Projects. Click on your instance. Click on Manage. And your environment variables are actually here. So I have another key. I'm just going to grab that and paste it there and just save and deploy. And that should actually add your new token. So let's see, we go back here to control and let's reset that. Let's put our gateway token again. So again, go back here, copy it, and that should do it. All right, so we're starting again with a new Anthropic key. This one should be okay. So this started. Hello, how are you? All right, looks like he's starting. So, and the typical OpenClaw message is there. All right, so let's start by giving it a bit of a personality. You are my social media agent. I want you to give me my morning brief on social media trends using hashtags and what my influencers are up to. So I'm gonna do on Instagram, on TikTok for now. I care mostly about some of these e-commerce influencers, so let's do that. And Instagram, and I want to know exactly each morning, who are the top videos or posts from those influencers. So this is gonna ask him to basically install the Apify skill from ClawdHub, just like that. And now he's just grabbing the skill. Obviously, what you can probably do is start a cron job, and cron jobs are basically scheduling jobs. It makes it much cheaper, right? So if you actually create a cron job here, rather than have the actual agent do it, then all the scrape happens on a scheduling, or you can actually create a scheduler on the Apify side. Yes, what you need to do is actually set your token. And it's very easy to do that. Just go back here to the doc manager, click on you can just manage your instance over here. And here you'll actually find a lot of environment variables. So you can just grab your Apify token from your account, right? So if you go to apify.com on settings, I've created already here an API key that I use with OpenClaw. Just copy it there, go back and put it onto your value here, and then name it, of course, Apify token. All right, so now he's actually going through the marketplace to find the right actors. You go back to your account, you will see he actually already started to use the hashtag scraper, TikTok trending scraper. So he's basically testing all these scrapers. Cool. And if we look at actually what he's doing, his thing about OpenClaw, he just goes for it. So he's getting all of these top influencers. So I didn't specify which country, which of course is an issue, but you can of course do that anytime. So I suggest setting up a scheduler here. You can create it as a task and send him a webhook, or you can of course create a cron job here, right, with OpenClaw. All right, so you can create a cron job here. So let's say social media morning digest. And over here, let's give it a descriptive name. Wake me up for social media scrape of my top skincare influencers. And let's just do a schedule here. Leave the agent ID as default unless you have multiple agents. And then of course enable it. Let's say once a day is good, and you can keep this in isolated session, not your main, just to save some tokens. Wake mode now. Okay, every morning use the Apify skill to extract social media posts for TikTok and Instagram or influencers, let's say in the Middle East maybe, or Europe. So let's do Telegram. And really the easiest way to add a Telegram is to go to your Telegram and go to BotFather. This is my other bot here. Just type in there new bot. Let's call it Apify. This is the username. So you need this token. Take the token that he created for you and go back. All right, and just add your actual bot name here. And yeah, that should do it. So now I've got my digest. And over here, if you go back to the main screen, you will see the actual morning brief that he created for you. So if you something that you think it's okay, so you got the tech talk top performance here, skincare, views, likes, looks great. Now you can just tell him to basically connect your Telegram. All right, that's how my morning brief looks like on Telegram with OpenClaw. So thank you for watching. Check out our channel for more helpful tutorials and make sure you like and subscribe. Until next time.